Testing, test mic audio. Testing. Okay. Yan. Paramihin lang natin ng konti. Ilan na ba tayo? Pero dito pala, pwede na natin to. Ila-live lang natin para, alam nyo na, transparent syempre. So yan. Okay, so if you have comments, just comment below. And yan, gagawin natin yung tignan lang natin. Turn up your device volume. So again, just let me know kung meron kayong naririnig or wala. Yan, raffle lang tayo guys. Yan. Okay, anyway. Share lang natin. Group. Gawin natin yung... Okay, so good evening, good morning, good night. Start na tayo. I'm Carlos of swimbikeRun.ph. We're doing the raffle for Vittoria and Bont. So this is for Duaman. Kasi if you noticed, hindi na tayo nakapag-raffle ng event, di ba? Why? Kasi it was supposed to be for everybody, syempre for all participants. But since yung weather nun medyo tricky and everything, so we decided na inopen na nga. Syempre inopen na yung bike course and everyone wants to go back to their hotels and everything. So, and during that time, may nagre-race pa. So, it will be unfair for them to do the raffle and then, syempre, malay mo, mabunot sila. And then, since may rule tayo na kailangan nandun ka sa event, pag hindi ka nabunot, sayang naman, di ba? Lalo na kung nagre-race ka pa, tapos nabunot ka. So, thank you, Vittoria. This raffle is, para tayong nasa, para tayong nasa live selling na to, ah. So, pamain, pamain lang. Hindi, wala kayong mamain dito. So, we're giving away prizes from Vittoria and Bont. So, we're giving away this. Yan. Kita nyo na ba yan? Bont Riot Road TR shoes. One for women's. And then one... And then one for the men's. Yan. So, thank you, Bont. Thank you. Ito yung major prize natin. And aside from that, meron tayong 10 pairs of Vittoria Corsa. Yan. So, good luck sa lahat. By the way, we will also do this for Aquaman because tamigay din si Bont and Vittoria doon, but hindi pa pala tayo nakakapag-online raffle doon. So, don't worry, we will do it online also on a separate video para ito focus also for Duaman. By the way, the race updates, yung pictures, we're still trying to upload it. Mahirap talaga sa Facebook. We're being limited to 100 pictures per album, but we're trying. Nakita nyo naman nakapag-upload na kami kanina, but we're gonna try some more because we have 10,000, close to 10,000 pictures. So isipin nyo na lang yan, if one album is 100 pictures, we have 10,000 pictures. How many albums will that be? But by the anyway, since there's uploaded na naman yun sa Geo Snapshot natin, so if you want to browse your pictures, just click on there and then you can avail of your pictures. Of course, yung mga free, since 2013 naman, lagi natin pinamimigay yung mga free photos. So, nothing will change. So, ito na. Start na tayo. Ito na tayo. So, ginawa natin, sobrang simple lang. I'll just show this to you para transparent. So, ikot na lang natin yung laptop, no? By the way, I hope naka-screen record to. So, for transparency sake, aside from naka-live tayo na raffle, naka-screen record din tayo sa Mac. So, I don't know kung maandar to ngayon kasi pinindot ko lang yung screen record, but I hope so. And paano ba natin malalaman to na nag-screen record siya? And anyway, so back up lang naman itong Mac para makita nyo lang, para na transparent tayo lahat. So, what we did is yung 700 plus participants, syempre, I think this is the best way. In-upload namin dito. Yan, dyan. So, familiar na kayo dyan, di ba? It's a wheel. So, andito lahat ng names nyo. Yan. Yan. So, don't worry. Hindi ko naman dudugasin. Hindi ko naman dudugasin yan. All the names are there, including the relay. Male, female, full and light distances are all here. So, let's draw na the raffle for the raffle winner for the first pair of Vittoria Corsa. Ganda oh. Ito. Pair yan, pair. So, ready na ba kayo? By the way, kung may problem sa kung may pa-shoutout dyan, ito si Mara Manalo Makasait. Kita mo na. Ma'am Mara, hindi tayo nag-TikTok live selling dito ha. Walang yellow basket dito. But parang masarap gawin to. Gawin kaya natin, bisita tayo sa mga bisita tayo sa mga bike shop tapos mag-live selling ito, di ba? Ayan, so wag na natin patagalin. So, ito. First raffle, we're gonna give away 10 pairs of these bad boys. Ganda. Vittoria Corsa. Okay. So, the first raffle, the first winner is... Tingnan natin. Ito. Good luck, good luck. First winner is... Oh, not you. First winner is... Sino yan? Doel Torres. Doel Torres. Ayan. So, Doel Torres, you just won a pair of Vittoria tires. So, you're the first winner. Sulat natin para baka makalimutan natin to. So, Doel Torres, save na lang natin sa phone. Notes. Grabe to. Single, ano na naman tayo? Single setup. IC3, shoutout. Baka kailangan maturuan mo lang kami paano kami mag-livestream sa computer para nandito yung ano namin, di ba? Yan. So, Vittoria Tires. First winner for one is Doel Torres. Okay. So, mamimigay pa tayo ng Shampa. Okay. Next winner. So, aalisin na natin siya. Meron palang remove dito. So, yan ha. Transparent yan ha. May screen record pa yan. Remove. Yan. So, wala na si Doel Torres dyan. Pagka lumabas yan, may sablay yung wheel of names na to. Next winner sa Duaman Tambiolo is... Sino? Jer Victor. Baka kalain mo si Brother Jer. Jer Victor, you just won a pair of Vittoria Corsa. Yan. So, if you're wondering nasan yung Vittoria Corsa, dito siya sa box katabi ko. So, hindi na lang natin siya lalabas. But ito yung mga tires. Good luck, good luck. So, paano pa pick upin? We'll just send us a DM how to pick it up. Tapos, just have it pick up via Grab. Whatever. So, dito yung mga tires. Hindi ko nalalabas yan. Grabe, ang hirap pala mag-live selling. Ito. Live raffle. O, sige. So, next winner is Jer Victor. Jer Victor. Yung grand prize natin will be the shoes. So, you will pick that up sa Multisport Corner sa Vermosa. So, you will just send the name and then go pick up your shoes. Kasi, hindi nila mapapadala yung price natin for obvious reasons. Iba-iba yung size, di ba? So, iba yung size niyan. Hindi naman nila alam kung ano yung size ng mananalo. So, just pick it up. Kung mabibigay namin to, just have this claimed siguro. Tapos, show this na Multisport Corner. Laki yung nanalo. Yan. So, 1 male and 1 female winner. So, thank you, Bont. Thank you, Bont pala. Bont yung brand. Yan. Next winner. Jer Victor, i-remove ka na namin. Okay, raffle again. Third winner of the Vittoria Corsa tires. Sino kaya to? Hindi ko mabasa. Maria Cecilia Saruca. Maria Cecilia Saruca. So, congratulations. You just won for yourself a pair of Vittoria tires. Nagtatawanan na ako ng mga tao dito para daw ako nag-talk live selling. Add daw sa blue basket. Yellow basket pala. Maria Cecilia Saruca. Okay. Next winner. 6 pa. Yan. Remove natin. So, dito na yung family ko. May pasok yung anak ko dito. Yan. Remove. Okay. Next winner. Mabasa ko doon sa reflection eh. Sino to? Carla Ramona Maceda. Ooh, Carla Ramona Maceda. You just won a pair of Vittoria tires. Congratulations. So, gagawan din namin ng layout to. So, after nito. So, para mala Carla Ramona Maceda. Yan. So, if you DNS did not start or DNF, doesn't matter, you're included in the raffle as long as you join Duaman. Yan. So, next. Remove. Ilan pa ba to? 6 pa. Bis-bisa natin. Ito. Congratulations, Don Lorenzo de la Cruz. Don Lorenzo de la Cruz, you just won a pair of Vittoria tires. You're the 5th winner. Don Lorenzo de la Cruz. Okay, so remove natin. So, ibig sabihin, pag ni-remove natin siya, wala na siya doon sa grand prize, yung Bont shoes. So, yeah. Next winner. Dami, liliit na name, oh. 700 participants. Next. Sino to? Florencio Robles. Congratulations, Florencio Robles. So, you are the 6th winner. Florencio Robles, 6th winner. Now for the 7th winner. Yan ito. Okay. 7th winner is Arol Gerald Yabut. Arol Gerald Yabut. So, if you're watching, congratulations. You just won for yourself a pair of Vittoria Corsa tires. Congrats. So, type na natin yan. Arol Gerald Yabut. Okay. 8th winner. 8th winner. Hanap to. Sariling sikap. Okay. 8th winner. Remove na natin. So, yan. Wala na siya sa list. Let's spin. Yeah. Jesus, Hubert de Jesus. Hubert de Jesus. I think I read that right. Hubert de Jesus. Congratulations. You're the winner. You're the 8th winner. Hubert De Jesus. Okay, for the 9th winner of the Vittoria raffle. Yeah. Alisin na natin. So, next, number 9. May sound pa. Okay, basa nyo na. That's Sanchez Catherine Ann De Jesus. Tama ba? Catherine Ann De Jesus Sanchez or Catherine Ann Sanchez De Jesus? O basta yun. I think this is Catherine Ann De Jesus Sanchez. So, congratulations. Sanchez. Di bale, I'll verify na lang sa start list. Catherine Ann De Jesus Sanchez. And our last winner. Pag nanalo ka dito, wala ka na nung prize sa bond. Isa shoes. So, remove. And our last winner for the Vittoria tires. And the winner is Antonio Ramon Divina Gracia. Yun. So, yun na yung 10 winners natin. Antonio Ramon Divina Gracia. So, yan. Ito, I'll post this. Ito yung 10 winners. I'll make a layout lang of the prize and then go claim your prize. Just send us a DM para kung paano nyo ma-pick up. So, congratulations. You just won these bad boys. So, 10 na to. So, doon na tayo sa bond raffle. So, 1 for the male and then 1 for the female. Okay? So, paano natin malalaman? If the name is parang, medyo di natin alam kung boy or girl, i-confirm ko lang sa start list. Okay? Pero hopefully, mabunot natin obvious na male yung babae. Obvious na female yung name ng babae. And then male yung name ng lalaki para di na tayo mag-double check. So anyway, let's raffle off the winner of the 2 Bond Riot TR cycling shoes. So, good luck guys. 1 for the male and 1 for the female. So, ladies first. Unahin natin yung ladies. So, and the winner... By the way, dito pag male, di na natin buburahin kasi para pasok pa sila sa nila dahil di naman sila nabunot. So, alisin natin to si Don Ramon Divina Gracia. Okay, so for the female to just to clear, this award, this prize right now, yung bubunutin natin na first of 2 is for the female. So, pagka yung male na bunot dito, we will not delete it. We'll just spin again. Okay? Until may manalong female. Okay, good luck guys. Ito na. Mamaya, tas 100 na male, hindi pa tayo wala pang mabunot na female. So, female ba? Nash Lim. I think this is... Check lang natin si Nash Lim sa start list. I think this is male ba? Wait lang, check natin. I think this is male, pero just to be sure. Saan ba yung start list? Duaman, final, July 20. Okay. So, ito yung results. Nash Lim. Nash. Wala sa full. Wala sa light. Okay. Pero I think this is male. Anuhin lang natin para clear. So, background PH. Start list. Yan. Nash Lim. Ito. Edit. So, Nash Lim is find Nash. So, obviously, tama nga tayo. Nash Lim, and so ito yung start list. Nash Lim is a male. So, obvious naman yun. Pero okay na yun para practice na rin. Next, hindi natin siya i-remove si Nash. So for the women ulit close lang natin. You're still included, Brother Nash. So sana female agad to para mabilis yung raffle namin. And the winner of the bond. Sana for the female muna to. Carl Peru. So obviously, guy, ulit tayo. Ulit. We're waiting to draw a female participant. Okay lang yan, tiyagain natin. Yadu Salvacion. Mahirap tong ginawa natin, pero sige. Tiyagain na natin. Yadu. I'm pretty sure there's a better way, pero nakapag-start na tayo na to. Yadu. Yadu Salvacion. Yadu si Yadu. Yadu is... Yadu is a male again. So, we're trying to draw a female. So, next. Yadu. Okay lang yan para mas matagal tayo magsama-sama. Mas exciting. So, we're gonna wait till we draw a female. Baka naman pag-draw natin ng female, pag male na, puro female naman ma-draw natin. Ellard Abanto. So, tignan natin Ellard. Medyo matagal to Pero okay lang, mas exciting. Ellard. Oh no, hindi, male siya, male DM light. So okay lang. Yan. Close. Okay lang, mas kabuti tayo siyam-siyam para mas matagal yung live. Practice na rin. Female na ba yan? Fritzy Labastida. Fritzy. No. No. Sa male also. So, close natin. Another draw. We're waiting for a female. So, ang tagal grabe, pinapa-excite tayo nito. Female winner ng Bond Riot TR shoes is... Lorraine Joy Pagulayan. Ito, mukhang female na. Sure ball na. Yay! Lorraine Joy Pagulayan. So, confirm lang natin. Lorraine. Ayan. Pagulayan. So, ayan. So, ayan siya. Lorraine Joy Pagulayan. You just won for yourself. Number 29 ka ba? From Tugigaraw City Triathlon Club. Wow! She joined Duaman Full. You just won for yourself a Bond Riot TR Plus cycling shoe. Congratulations, Lorraine. So, yan. Yan siya. Lorraine Joy Pagulayan. So, congrats. So, ito naman. Bunot na tayo ng male. So, for the male naman na winner, remove na natin si Lorraine. Doesn't matter pala kasi hindi na naman siya kasali. So ito, baka naman pagka inalis na natin, puro naman female mabunot natin. Pero wala na. Hopefully, gaya agad para tapos na yung live natin. Kakain na rin yata. So, okay. So, good luck. We're drawing now the male winner of the Bond Riot Road TR Plus cycling shoe. Good luck, good luck. And the winner is... Arden Valiente. Oh, mukhang lalaki to. Mukhang male. Arden Valiente. Check lang natin. Arden Valiente. So, check natin. Verify lang natin kung male. Arden. Ayun. Arden Valiente. DM Full, bib number 380. So, from Team Pags and Unlipops. Naku, Unlipops pa yung nanalo. So, congratulations, Arden Valiente. You just won a Bond Cycling Riot TR Plus cycling shoe. So, that's it. That's it, guys. Wala na tayong papamigay pa. So congratulations to the winners. And thank you everyone for joining. And thank you everyone for watching. And then congratulations sa mga winners. And thank you sa mga sumali ng Duwaman Duathlon. And we're so looking forward to seeing you all at Trima Triathlon, the grand finale of the SBR, of the Go for Gold SBR Tri-Series 2025, presented by Vitargo. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Good night. And congratulations to the winners. We will post the names and then DM na lang kayo para nyo claim yung mga prizes nyo. Congratulations, guys. Thank you and good night. Yeah.